Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to remove duplicate in Excel. Why would you want to know how to remove duplicate in Excel? Well, maybe you have a big table with many duplicated names. So today I am going to show you how to remove duplicate in Excel. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Okay, now we have the name, the product, the unit. We want to remove duplicate by name. Let's mark our table, go to data, then remove duplicates. Let's remove duplicates by name, just name, then press OK. Now 10 duplicate value format are removed. That's easy, guys. There you go. If you wanted to know how to remove duplicate in Excel, that's the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to remove duplicate, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.